Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing Sqlite 3 and opening your database now. Run the package manager for your distro, then launch Sqlite 3 MyDB. Sqlite to create or open the file. Once done, type databases to verify the file path and help to inspect built-in commands. This saves time. Make sure to set a clear working directory so file permissions are obvious. You will now create tables and import data. Do not skip verifying Sqlite 3 version and file ownership before proceeding. You define your schema next because structure matters for queries. Create tables with create table statements, include primary keys and constraints, and choose types deliberately. Once defined, import CSV with mode CSV and import data. CSV your table to load rows quickly. If columns mismatch, adjust header or use separator. For bulk loads, wrap operations in begin and commit to speed inserts and avoid partial states. Also run pragma foreign keys equals on to enforce relationships. This prevents silent integrity issues. You finish by validating queries and optimizing. Run select, then explain query plan to see how Sqlite executes them. Add indexes on columns used in joins and filters to reduce full scans. Once done, vacuum the file if size or fragmentation is a concern. If you hit errors, make sure to set Pragma Busy timeout and inspect file permissions and locking. Locked databases often mean another process or wrong NFS settings. If corruption appears, use recover or restore from backup. Always keep a copy before heavy changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.